Hey guys, interesting video for you today. I wanted to show you an example of how we're cleaning up a data set for a client with an interesting API. I don't know how useful this is, but this is probably a problem for a lot of companies. You have a giant list of companies and a lot of the websites in your data set are broken, and you're giving reps this list of companies and they open up the website and then this happens. It's really annoying and doesn't need to happen. We found this product called the it's called API Void, and essentially um, it checks the website to see if it's live or not. It can give you like test codes. So we logged in, we connected this API to Clay, and we're just running into this Clay table. And every time it finds a broken site, it just outputs we can check like the server error on the HTTP. We can check the HTTP server error, the client error, if it has a valid server IP, the URL status, and the HTTP status code. So between, or if the URL is taken down. And I created this formula that looks at all these different outputs and decides if it's broken or not. And so we're able to pretty accurately tell if it's a broken site or not. So you can see here, for example, 1030 Tech right here is down, and this company also is seemingly having a problem. So yeah, boom. So that was filtered out, whereas this site, 101 Web Tech, seems to be just fine, as you can see right here. Give it a second to load, boom, and it's working. So this is a really cool API. I thought it was pretty nifty. It is, I think it's $500 for 100,000 rows. So you're paying about half a penny per website. So it's not so cheap, but it's probably worth it. There might be cheaper APIs out there. But if you're running a small data set, it's probably fine. If you're running a giant data set, it might be worth um, finding a better API or making one yourself. But for a quick and dirty solution, I think this is a pretty good one. I mean, you can see we've run already, um, I don't know, probably run about, call it, I'm going to call it 800 rows. And we have, um, hold on. In this view, we've run. I'm looking at all of the rows that I've run. So far we've run 1,108 rows, and out of those rows, we have 886 that are accurate. So you can see about 80% is accurate. Maybe a little, yeah, around 8% is live. And that means a fifth of these websites are broken, and that's like one in five sites being broken in your CRM is pretty crazy. So this is a really easy trick to clean that up, and then import the data back into your CRM, clean, healthy website data. Hopefully, this is helpful.